Alamosa KOA Saturday morning. Everybody's checking out. These were all full last night and they've already left. Our neighbor here is getting ready to pull out with a rig. I thought I would film him as he leaves. Yeah. This is the first of the caravan. Monaco. An old Monaco. Company's going out of business. Nice motorhomes though.
Oh, London Air.
There's his friend, the buddy that was next to us, the London Air. Newmar.
Expensive.
Yeah, I had a couple of them. Called them Lemon Airs. They're nice now. They probably improved since Winnebago bought Newmar. And here's another part of the caravan pulling out. They're all traveling together, I think. And then another one right behind. Pulling out. Bunch of them traveling together.
Yeah, come into the other people's
He's driving,
to get out.
He's pulling tandem too.
Yeah.
With his, he got out okay, didn't he?
Well, I don't know if his thing is hitting the fire.
I don't know. I think his buddy's waiting for him to go. They pull their fifth wheel and then there's a trailer hooked up behind the fifth wheel. It's the way to go. And there's another one over there with a trailer with a fifth wheel.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now he's pulling out. Look at this monster rig. Fifth wheel.
Huge fifth wheel.
And then a trailer hooked up behind the fifth wheel. It's got his firewood. Look at that. A Tiffin. They've shut that fifth wheel company down now. Tiffin did, or Thor bought Tiffin, and they shut down the trailer aspect, the trailer division. And there's another one.
Crazy.
Yep, they're all looks like they're all traveling together. Yep. All of a sudden, we have emptied out all our neighbors. Man, look at that. Well, our camp here, all of a sudden, has gotten real quiet. Our big fifth wheel with a trailer. We're unhooked, ready to go. Kathy wants to go to White Sands and sled down some of the sand dunes. Might have better luck this time than we did over at the last one we went to the rocket range. Man, these were all full just 5 minutes ago. 5 or 6 of them just took off. But we're waiting on mechanic to come do a quick install on some batteries, so we'll have some good batteries at the Balloon Fiesta. Batteries are getting kind of weak, so we had some delivered yesterday, special delivery from Texas, and got them in the bay, and got a repairman here supposedly coming to do the install. I'm too old and decrepit to crawl down in the bay to wire them up, so hopefully they'll show up. So we'll be here at 10 o'clock, but we'll see. I think Kathy was expecting a more premier view of the mountain range over here. We were supposed to have a view. Anyway, got a view of campers. We'll have a nice view when we get to the sand dunes, though, I hope. New batteries going in. 3 there. I got one over here in the bay. We forgot to get out. Those things are 120 pounds each. It was a 540-pound shipment. FedEx. There's the other battery. Hopefully those new batteries are going to work good. The ones that are in there should have lasted another couple years, but they ran hot and the factory screwed it up. They had one of the wires reversed. The hot temperature sensor wire was reversed. But they said it was past 2 years warranty, so I could already sell with them, I guess. That's what's coming out of them. 400 amp. Man, relying South Carolina base. I think they're out of Fort Mill, South Carolina. Relying. New batteries. 120 pounds each. Man. Yep, that's the old batteries. Starting to swell up. Swell up. That one's really swollen.